which equation could be solved using the application of the quadratic formula. Well, as we take a look at this one, I'm going to apply the same techniques that I used from video 3, if you watched that. And the first thing to look at in the formula is that it's negative b. So our middle value, and even though these equations aren't solved or aren't set equal to 0, what I can tell is that b is going to be 12 in this equation, and b is going to be 12 in this equation, but it's negative 4 here and it's negative 4 there. So we can narrow it down to the first choice or the last choice. And I am going to flip over to my paper here to identify. Now we need to identify which one is C. So I took the first answer and the last answer. I have the quadratic formula written down for us. But what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to subtract 4 from both sides. And we get 2x squared plus 12x plus 9 equals 0. So if we look at our values here, a is 2, b is 12, and c is 9 on this particular problem. Over here, if we subtract 13, again, the reason that we're subtracting is in order to apply the quadratic formula, we need the equation to be set equal to 0. So a is still 2 in here, b is still 12 in here, and our difference is that c is negative 9. So where we're going to be putting c, you've got to be able to see the whole thing, c is going to be that last value in our equation. So we need to go back and look and see in our equation, do we have positive 9 or do we have negative 9? Well, we have negative 9. And the answer that had negative 9 was our second choice, which was this last equation here.